This is the Premier Protein with Energy Cafe Latte flavor. I like to have protein shakes every day, just add protein to my diet. I like the Premier Protein because it has 30 grams of protein in it, which is better than a lot of them. When you get this, it arrives in your normal tub that you're used to looking at. It's sealed on top two different ways. You don't have to worry about anything getting inside of there. It comes with a little scoop inside of here, and the powder was really perfect when I got it. And that's about as full as it is when you get it. I've only had about 3 scoops out of this. So this is going to be, if you're using this for a protein shake and you're using 2 scoops of this, you're looking at 150 calories, 30 grams of protein, 1 gram of fiber, and 1 total gram of sugar in here. So there's only 4 carbs in this, 4 grams of carbs, and one of them's fiber. Really like that. There's only 1 gram of saturated fat in here. And according to this, it has enough caffeine to equal 1 cup of coffee. I haven't really noticed any caffeine effects from using this, but now that I'm aware of it, and yeah, it doesn't really come off to me as a caffeinated drink, but I think the taste is pretty good. I tend to put just a little bit of whipping cream and water in here, and I make it probably more watery than most should, but the taste on here is fine. I love the fact that it has the 30 grams of protein in it. That was really the selling point for me. And there it is, Premier Protein with Energy Cafe Latte.